Downtown San Juan, a city alive with color, rhythm, and history. But even in the busiest corners, nature is never far away. I was on the hunt for one of Puerto Rico's most famous birds. It is one of only 17 so-called endemics, birds found nowhere else but this Caribbean island. The Puerto Rico woodpecker. My first sighting was a surprise. These charming mosaics. Known as Iniri in the indigenous Taino culture, the woodpecker's chest is said to have been stained by blood when it pecked at sea creatures to create human women. Myths and legends aside, I was determined to see the real thing. Scoping out a downtown park, I found several local birds. An immature green heron. Zenaida doves cooing in the sun. A pearly-eyed thrasher lurking in the leaves. Eventually, I found it, Iniri, Puerto Rico's only woodpecker. I only caught a few glimpses, but it was worth it. Like and subscribe for more.